Ever wondered how animals survive in the scorching heat and harsh conditions of the desert? The vast desert landscapes that stretch across our planet are home to an array of animals that have masterfully adapted to life in these punishing terrains. Deserts, by definition, are places of extremes. Here, the sun blazes with relentless intensity by day, while the nights often plunge into icy cold temperatures. Water is scarce, vegetation sparse. Yet, amidst these harsh conditions, life thrives in the most unexpected forms. Take a moment to imagine the desert. Picture the endless expanses of sand dunes, the dry, cracked earth, the sparse vegetation struggling against the unyielding heat. It's a challenging environment, to say the least. But for the creatures that call the desert home, it's just another day at the office. What's their secret, you ask? Well, each desert dweller has developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive and even thrive in these unforgiving conditions. Some animals have evolved to be active at night, avoiding the brutal heat of the day. Others have developed specialized body parts to store water or to dissipate heat. And there are those that have mastered the art of camouflage, blending in with the sand or rocks to evade predators or to ambush unsuspecting prey. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. The desert is a veritable treasure trove of fascinating creatures, each with their unique survival strategies. From the tiny, heat-loving Saharan silver ant to the large, water-storing dromedary camel, the desert is teeming with life in all shapes and sizes, each more fascinating than the last. So, are you ready to dive into this world of extremes, to meet the creatures that have turned survival into an art form, to uncover the mysteries that the desert holds? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Prepare to journey into the heart of the desert as we uncover the top 10 most interesting desert animals. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, meet the jerboa, a small rodent with a big personality. The jerboa is a fascinating creature, a little rodent that calls the arid desert home. But don't let its small size fool you. This little critter is a marvel of adaptation, perfectly suited to the harsh realities of desert life. What sets the jerboa apart is its unique locomotion. It doesn't just walk or run like other rodents. No, the jerboa jumps, and it does so with style. With long kangaroo-like hind legs and a tail for balance, it leaps and bounds across the sand dunes, covering great distances with surprising speed. This form of locomotion not only helps it evade predators, but also reduces contact with the hot desert sand. The jerboa is an expert in the art of desert survival. It is a nocturnal creature, spending the scorching desert days burrowed deep in cool sand burrows. This not only protects it from the harsh sun, but also helps it conserve energy. At night, when the desert cools down, the jerboa emerges to hunt for seeds, plants, and insects. One of the jerboa's most impressive feats is its ability to survive without drinking water. Yes, you heard that right. The jerboa gets all the hydration it needs from the food it eats. This is a crucial adaptation for a creature living in an environment where water can be scarce for months at a time. Its kidneys are also specially adapted to limit water loss, making the jerboa a master of water conservation. The jerboa is a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive under the most challenging conditions. It may be small, but its unique adaptations and resilient spirit make it a formidable desert dweller. Small but mighty, the jerboa sets the bar high for our desert countdown. At number 9, we have the fennec fox, the smallest species of fox in the world. Don't let the fennec fox's small stature fool you. This pint-sized predator is a master of survival in some of the most inhospitable regions on our planet, the scorching deserts. What stands out immediately are those enormous ears. They aren't just for show or superior hearing, they serve a vital purpose. These oversized appendages act like natural air conditioners, dispersing heat and helping the fennec fox maintain a comfortable body temperature amidst the desert's extreme heat. When the sun sets and the desert cools, the fennec fox begins its hunt. As a nocturnal creature, it thrives in the darkness, using its keen hearing to locate prey under the sand. From insects and rodents to birds and eggs, the fennec fox isn't picky. Its diet is as diverse as the desert itself. And speaking of the desert, the fennec fox is a fantastic digger, capable of burrowing a den in the sand to escape the midday heat and hide from predators. But the fennec fox isn't a solitary creature. In fact, it's surprisingly social. Fennec foxes live in close-knit family groups, sharing their dens and cooperating to care for their young. These tight bonds play a crucial role in their survival, providing added protection against predators and harsh conditions. Their unique features and behaviors aren't just fascinating. They're critical adaptations that allow the fennec fox to thrive in an environment where many other creatures can't. From their oversized ears that dissipate heat to their nocturnal hunting habits and social behavior, every aspect of the fennec fox's life is a testament to the power of adaptation. With its distinctive look and fascinating adaptations, the fennec fox earns its spot on our list. This tiny desert dweller may be small in size, but it's big on survival skills, making it one of the most intriguing inhabitants of the world's arid landscapes. Moving on to number 8, we encounter the Gila monster, one of the few venomous lizards in the world. This chunky, slow-moving creature is as fascinating as it is intimidating. Named after the Gila River Basin in the southwestern United States, where it was first discovered, the Gila monster is renowned for its venom. Yes, you heard it right. This lizard doesn't just look fearsome, it packs a punch too. Its venom is a cocktail of toxins that can cause extreme pain in humans. But don't worry, fatalities are incredibly rare. The Gila monster doesn't use its venom to hunt, but rather as a defense mechanism. When threatened, it latches onto its aggressor and chews to inject the venom. But don't be too alarmed. Despite their venomous reputation, Gila monsters tend to be sluggish and slow to anger. Speaking of sluggish, the Gila monster's metabolism is a marvel of nature. This creature has one of the lowest metabolic rates of any animal. It can eat just 3 or 4 times a year and survive. This comes handy in the harsh desert environment where food can be scarce. This slow metabolism also allows the Gila monster to live up to 30 years, a venerable age for a lizard. Now let's address the mystery surrounding its name. Some believe that Gila is derived from a Native American word meaning God of the Desert. Others suggest it's a reference to the Gila River Basin. The monster part, well, that likely stems from the lizard's formidable appearance and venomous bite. Dangerous yet intriguing, the Gila monster adds a touch of excitement to our countdown. This lizard, with its vibrant coloration and unique characteristics, is a testament to the diversity and adaptation of life in the desert. So next time you think of desert animals, don't forget the Gila monster, a true desert marvel. At number 7, we have the iconic dromedary camel, the true ship of the desert. Truly a sight to behold, the dromedary camel, also known as the Arabian camel, is one of the most recognized inhabitants of the desert. With its single hump and long curved neck, this creature has been perfectly designed to endure the harsh conditions of desert life. Now, let's talk about that hump. Contrary to popular belief, it doesn't store water. Instead, it's a reservoir of fatty tissue. This fat can be converted into water and energy when food and water are scarce. This, my friends, is the camel's secret to survival in the arid desert. The camel's water conservation strategies are nothing short of remarkable. They can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go, a feat unmatched by any other mammal. Additionally, their oval-shaped red blood cells keep the blood flowing smoothly even when the body is dehydrated, and they can lose up to 25% of their body weight in water without suffering any ill effects, a feat that would be fatal to most other mammals. But the dromedary camel's significance extends beyond its biological adaptations. For centuries, these resilient creatures have been integral to human desert cultures. They have been used for transportation, milk, meat, wool, and even companionship. Their ability to carry heavy loads over long distances without needing much water has made them indispensable for trade and travel in desert regions. Their value is recognized in the numerous cultural references to camels throughout history. From ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to modern Arabic literature, the dromedary camel has consistently symbolized resilience and survival. In the desert's relentless heat and arid conditions, the dromedary camel thrives, showcasing an impressive display of adaptability and endurance. Their unique hump, water conservation strategies, and historical importance to human cultures make them one of the most fascinating desert inhabitants. A symbol of endurance and survival, the dromedary camel holds a deserving place on our list. 6th on our list is the thorny devil, a lizard with an intimidating name and an even more intimidating appearance. This peculiar creature is a master of survival in the harsh desert landscapes of Australia. Its body is covered in an array of sharp spikes, giving it a rather fierce look. But these spikes serve a purpose beyond just warding off potential predators. The thorny devil's spiky armor is its lifeline in the arid desert. These spikes are not just for protection, but they are also a tool for survival. They act as a network of channels that direct water towards the lizard's mouth. This means that when it rains or even when there's morning dew, the thorny devil can collect water directly from its surroundings, hydrating without ever needing to take a sip. Even condensation on its body can be directed to its mouth, a truly remarkable adaptation to its dry environment. But the thorny devil's unique characteristics don't stop there. On the back of its neck, it has a deceptive false head, a knob-like appendage that it presents to predators when under threat. When a predator approaches, the thorny devil lowers its real head and elevates the false one, confusing its foe and giving it a chance to escape. This clever trick of deception is another testament to the thorny devil's exceptional adaptability. In the vast expanse of the desert, life can be incredibly challenging, but the thorny devil, with its spiky armor, its unique method of collecting water, and its deceptive false head, shows us that nature always finds a way. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on our planet, a creature that has not only adapted to its environment, but thrived within it. With its bizarre looks and remarkable adaptations, the thorny devil is a desert dweller you won't forget. This creature's ability to survive and flourish in one of the harshest environments on Earth is truly an amazing spectacle of nature. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the kangaroo rat, a desert specialist with an extraordinary ability. This tiny but mighty creature is a marvel of desert adaptation. In the baking heat of the desert, where water is scarce, the kangaroo rat has developed the incredible ability to metabolize water directly from the dry seeds it consumes. Yes, you heard right. This little rodent doesn't need to drink water at all. It obtains all the hydration it needs from its plant-based diet, breaking down the seeds in its body to extract every precious drop of water. The kangaroo rat's metabolic process is a masterclass in efficiency and survival, a perfect example of nature's ingenuity in the face of adversity. But water management is just one of the kangaroo rat's tricks. When it comes to locomotion, this desert dweller has another ace up its sleeve. Much like its namesake, the kangaroo rat is an expert leaper. It can spring up to 9 feet in a single bound, a feat that allows it to evade predators and traverse the rough desert terrain with ease. These long bounding leaps are its signature move, a dance of survival performed under the scorching desert sun. The kangaroo rat's survival strategy doesn't stop at leaping and water management. It also leads a burrowing lifestyle, making its home underground. These burrows provide much-needed respite from the harsh desert conditions, keeping the rat cool during the day and warm during the chilly desert nights. Here in this subterranean sanctuary, the kangaroo rat raises its young, stores food, and takes refuge from predators. A creature of extremes, the kangaroo rat is a testament to how life adapts and thrives in the harshest of environments. It's a true desert specialist, perfectly adapted to its arid home. And it's this combination of remarkable abilities, the metabolic magic, the spectacular leaps, and the burrowing lifestyle, that earns the kangaroo rat a rightful place in our countdown. A testament to nature's inventiveness, the kangaroo rat hops its way into our top 5. At number 4, we have the desert tortoise, a slow and steady survivor in the race of desert life. This humble creature is a champion of resilience and adaptation, carving out a life in some of the harshest environments on planet Earth. The desert tortoise is a marvel when it comes to longevity. In fact, these hardy reptiles can live up to 80 years, with some even reaching the ripe old age of 100. This is a testament to their hardy nature and adaptability, as they've evolved to withstand the brutal heat and scarce resources of the desert. What's more, these tortoises are expert burrowers. They construct long, winding burrows that provide shelter from the scorching desert sun and freezing nights. These burrows also play a crucial role in their survival during long periods of drought. They retreat into the cool depths of their burrows, slowing their metabolic rate to conserve water and energy. It's a remarkable adaptation that allows them to survive in an environment where many other creatures would falter. But the desert tortoise isn't just a survivor. It's also a keystone species in the desert ecosystem. This means that it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its environment. Its burrows provide shelter for a variety of other desert creatures, and its grazing habits help to control the growth of vegetation. Even the tortoise's waste contributes to the desert's fertility, helping plants to grow and providing food for insects. It's amazing to think that this slow-moving, unassuming creature has such a profound impact on its surroundings. But that's the beauty of nature. Every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a part in the grand scheme of things. A symbol of longevity and resilience, the desert tortoise earns its spot in our top 4. This incredible creature reminds us that life finds a way, even in the most inhospitable corners of our world. Claiming the 3rd spot on our list is the Saharan silver ant, an insect that truly shines in the desert. This remarkable ant has a unique way of taking on the harsh desert environment. It's not just about survival for this little critter, it's about thriving in some of the most extreme conditions on the planet. The Saharan silver ant is cloaked in a coat of fine hairs that shimmer in the desert sunlight, giving it a silver sheen. But this is more than just nature's fashion statement. These hairs are actually tiny mirrors, reflecting the sun's scorching rays and keeping the ant cool. This silver armor protects the ant from the sun's harmful radiation, allowing it to venture out into the blistering midday heat, a time when most desert creatures are hidden away. But that's not the only trick up its sleeve. The Saharan silver ant is one of the fastest creatures in the insect world. It can cover 30 times its body length in a single second. That's like a human running at a speed of over 200 kilometers per hour. This rapid pace helps the ant traverse the burning sands and return to the safety of its nest before the heat becomes unbearable. Adding to its list of incredible adaptations is its heat resistance. The Saharan silver ant can withstand temperatures that would be fatal to most other insects. Its body can tolerate heat up to 50 degrees Celsius, a temperature that would cook most creatures alive. This is thanks to a special protein in its body that doesn't start to break down until it reaches this high temperature. These remarkable traits make the Saharan silver ant a true marvel of the desert. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Small in size but big on adaptations, the Saharan silver ant races its way to number 3. At number 2, we have the roadrunner, a bird that prefers running to flying. Now, when we think of birds, we typically envision creatures of the sky, swooping and soaring. But the roadrunner, it has a different take. It's a bird that's found its niche on the ground. This speedy creature is aptly named, clocking in at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. That's right, 20 miles per hour. Imagine a bird running that fast, darting in and out of the desert scrub, its long tail feathers streaming behind. It's a sight to behold. But the roadrunner isn't just fast, it's also an adept hunter. This bird is a carnivore, feasting on insects, lizards, and even small rodents. It's been known to take on rattlesnakes, a feat few other creatures dare to attempt. With its sharp beak and lightning-fast reflexes, the roadrunner is a formidable predator. The roadrunner's speed and hunting prowess aren't its only claims to fame. This bird is also an icon of popular culture. You might remember it from a certain cartoon where it constantly outwits and outruns its hapless coyote pursuer. In reality, while a roadrunner could certainly give a coyote a run for its money, these two species aren't known to interact much. In Native American folklore, the roadrunner is a symbol of speed, agility, and resilience, traits that this bird embodies in its everyday life. In the desert, where conditions are harsh and resources scarce, the roadrunner thrives, a testament to its adaptability and survival skills. The roadrunner may not be the largest bird or the most colorful, but it's undoubtedly one of the most fascinating. Its speed, hunting skills, and cultural significance make it a standout in the animal kingdom. And as for its place in the desert ecosystem, it's a vital predator, helping to keep the balance of life in check. Fast, fierce, and famous, the roadrunner sprints its way to the second spot on our list. And finally, at number 1, we have the desert scorpion, a creature as fascinating as it is formidable. This arachnid, a member of the oldest known arachnid orders, is a marvel of adaptation and survival. Let's delve into one of the most distinctive features of the desert scorpion, its venom. Their venom, a cocktail of neurotoxins, enzymes, and other compounds, is a powerful weapon. It's primarily used for subduing their prey, but it also serves as their line of defense against predators. However, contrary to popular belief, most scorpions' stings, while painful, are not lethal to humans. Now, how does a creature with such poor eyesight hunt so effectively in the dark desert nights? The answer lies in their unique sensory adaptations. Scorpions have an organ called the pecten, which they use to sense minute vibrations in the ground. This, along with their highly sensitive body hairs, allows them to detect the slightest movement of potential prey or approaching danger. Another intriguing aspect of the desert scorpion is its fluorescent body. When exposed to ultraviolet light, scorpions glow a vibrant blue-green. This is due to a substance found in a very thin layer in the scorpion's exoskeleton. Scientists are still unraveling the mystery behind this phenomenon, but it's thought that it could help scorpions detect UV light and know when to come out and hunt. The desert scorpion isn't just a solitary predator. It plays a critical role in the desert ecosystem. By controlling the populations of insects, spiders, and other small creatures, they maintain the delicate balance of the desert's food chain. Their burrowing habits also contribute to the desert soil's health by improving its ability to hold water. Despite their menacing appearance and reputation, desert scorpions are an integral part of our planet's biodiversity. They are a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. So, the next time you find yourself under the desert moonlight, remember the desert scorpion. Remember its glow, its venom, and its role in the grand scheme of things. Remember that it's not just a creature of the night, but a vital part of the desert's intricate web of life. A true desert survivor, the desert scorpion claims the crown as the most interesting desert animal. Thank you for joining us on this desert adventure. Stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the wild.